See there? Shall what them say?
Okay, you're gonna try again? Let's see if the other side is clear, Joe. He's trying to. Yeah, the more he does that, the more.
Yeah, one of them stuck in the middle of nowhere. We've been trying. We are about 30 or 40 minutes out of where we should be, because we took a wrong road. Yeah. Part of the journey.
Yes.
And this has so bush around me. Yeah.
You're just still stuck in the sand.
1 hour later, we're still stuck.
We've been trying, like, trying to dig away the sand and get like 6 foot under the tires so we can rock the car. Yeah,
Okay.
that's how deep it is.
There's nothing I could do. Hey, I gotta get a tow truck out here.
Oh.
You're at the frame in the front.
Oh.
From all the spinning back and forth.
Yeah.
You're at the frame. Even I can't push you out. If I tried to push you out, I'm gonna get stuck. So, and I would probably damage your vehicle as well.
Oh.
So,
And the pulling wouldn't work either.
I'm not allowed to pull people because I would break my push bumper if I tried to pull somebody.
I got you.
Yeah. So that's why they have off-duty tow trucks that come out here and do it.
Okay.
But it's gonna be expensive, I'm gonna tell you that.
So, continuing with the story, yeah, police officer come out for fine way in the middle of nowhere, and so here we know the Uber driver will come for we don't speak English. We gave him the exact address. My youth just put in New Jersey. And what would have been a 1 hour drive turned out to be a 2 hour and 10-minute drive because the man just never put in the exact address. So we should have been in Edgewater, which is 40 minutes away from where we are now, in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna need a tow truck to pull that out, FEMA vehicle out before, well, we'll figure it out, because right about now, if I get the tow truck there, we need to just get a next Uber. But the officer said to us, well, look at it this way. You guys got stuck in the day, which is good, because if it was night, that is when the coyotes come out. So, let me show you again that there is nothing around but bush. We're in a place called Jackson, New Jersey. So, if I big up the officer, because the officer forward come make sure so we're alright. So we'll try to get a next Uber here now and leave my youth, because my youth never follow instructions. We gave you exact address. Why would you just put New Jersey in your phone? The officer said it would have taken him straight into the river if he never stopped drive. Because that is where, once you put in New Jersey, This is how carrier go. Here the officer tell him Edgewater is right next to New York, so that drive out here so never make no sense. Yeah. But it's a part of the adventure. We're there. Again, I have to big up the officer. Officer Mac. Real G.